Frequently asked questions about elastomeric paints. 1. Can elastomeric paint be used indoors? While technically possible, it's designed for exterior use due to its thickness and waterproofing properties. 2. Does it peel or bubble over time? Not if applied correctly with proper surface prep and under recommended weather conditions. 3. Is elastomeric paint suitable for wood? Yes, but a flexible primer is recommended, and wood must be dry and sealed properly. 4. How many coats are required? Typically, 2 thick coats are ideal. 1 coat may not offer the full benefits. 5. Can I apply it myself or hire a pro? DIY is possible, but for large or commercial surfaces, professional application ensures longevity. 6. Is it available in custom colors? Absolutely. Most brands offer color matching in a wide range of tones.